Welcome everyone. Through this video, today I will discuss different kind of function, different kind of mapping. In the previous class, I have discussed what is mapping. Now today, different kind of mapping. Now look to figure 1. A is a set having 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. B is a set 2, 4, 6. Now 1 corresponds to 2, 2 corresponds to 4, 3 corresponds to 6. So there is a relation. For each x belongs to A, there is this unique element. So y equals to 2x. Y equals to 2x. So this is a function, this is a mapping. Now what is 1-1 mapping or injective mapping? 1-1 mapping means each element in A has unique image in B. So a mapping F A to B is said to be 1-1 mapping or injective mapping if different element in A, different elements of A have different images in B. A mapping F A to B is said to be 1-1 if different elements of A have different images in B. So 1 image is 2, different images 4. No 2 elements have same image. Look, 1 and 2. If there is a case, suppose 1 minus 1, and here this is x, this is mod x, and this is 1. So this is not 1. This is many 1. Different elements of A have different images in B. This is in language. And we solve problem using this result. Thus F A to B is said to be 1-1. We use this definition to solve problem. If for all x1, x2 belongs to A, fx1 not equals to fx2 when x1 not equals to x2. If x1 and x2 are different, then fx1 not equals to fx2. f1 2, f2 4, but 1 not equals to 2. So this is 1-1 function. Or we can write equivalently this also written as fx1 equals to fx2 when x1 equals to x2. We can use this definition also. So it is, suppose problem is like this. Give an example of 1-1 function. You get thousands of examples if you have the idea of 1-1 mapping. Suppose this is given in tabular form. So we can write it in this way. So example, FA, suppose 1, 2, 3. to B. Suppose elements are obtained by taking double 2, 4, 6. Defined by y equals to 2x is 1, is 1. Now look, this also 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Here what is range? The range is 2, 3, 4. This is also 1, 1. This is also 1, 1. But this is 1, 1 on 2 and this is 1, 1 into range subset of codomain. So this is definition of 1, 1 function. Now number of 1, 1 mapping from A to B. Suppose if A to B is 1, Now number of elements in A, m. Number of elements in B is n. Now number of 1, 1 mapping. So if m greater than n, so 1 has image 1, 2 has 2, 3, 3, m greater than n. Suppose, look at the example. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A. This is B. This is 2, 4, 6. Take an example. So this one is 1, 1. But this is not function. M equals to 4, n equals to 3, m greater than n. So it is not function because 4 has no image. So if m greater than n, the number of mapping is 0. The number of mapping is 0. Now if m less than equals to n, the number of mapping is npm. npm equals to, you can write nb, p for permutation, this is na, number of elements. So this is our formula. This is also a result of permutation. Look, this 1 corresponds to, look at the clue, 1 corresponds to how many waves? N waves. 2 corresponds to n minus 1 waves because it is 1, 1. If one place is fixed, you cannot take this place. Then third element corresponds to n minus 2 waves. And m corresponds to n minus m minus 1 waves. If it is 2, n minus 1. If it is 3, n minus 2. If it is m, n minus m. So by FPC, I have already discussed, by FPC, total number of waves. By FPC, proof is not important. By FPC, this is n. So n, then n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot. You are getting n minus n plus 1. And you have already, this is result of permutation. This is n minus m. If we take up to 1 and balance it by n minus m dot dot 1. So this is balance. So n to 1, this is factorial n. This is factorial n minus n. So npm. Factorial n by n minus n. So actually this is result of permutation. So you remember this one. So number of 1, 1 function from A to B. equals to NB permutation NA. M less than equals to N. So suppose NA equals to 3, NB equals to 2. So number of relations. So this is M, this is N, equals to obviously 0. So M greater than N. So no 1 1 function. But if NA equals to 2, NB equals to 3, the number of 1 1 function, 1 1 function. This is number of 1 1 function. So NB to the power NBP NA. So this is 3p2, 3p2. So factorial 3, this is 6. So number of 1 1 relations. So clear? For different element of A, you have different images in B. Now, second one, many one function. Many one. Consider figure 1. A is a set having element 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 2, and B 0, 1, 4. So if you take square of 1, this is 1, square of minus 1 also 1. 0, 0, 2, 4, minus 2 also 4. So two different elements had same image. Look, two different elements had same image. 1 and minus 1, 2. 2 and minus 2, 4. So it is many one. So what is definition? A mapping F A to B is said to be many one. Definition is not important. So example you should remember for exam. So for solving problem you need definition. A mapping F A to B is said to be many one if different if two or more elements, if two or more elements in A have same image in 1 and minus 1, they are different, but they have same image 1. If two or more elements, 3 elements may have same image, so it is called many one. Many one. That is, so we solve using this one mathematically. For all, we take 2 elements, x1, x2 belongs to A, that is from codomain. For all x1, x2 belongs to A implies fx1 equals to fx2, but x1 not equals to x2. x1 and x2 not same, but their images are same. So this is definition of many one. If it is given, give an example of many one. So you can give many examples as you please. So look, this picture diagram, you can write it, the mapping, look, F, A, you take some elements, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, to B, 0, 1, 2. Then give the rule, defined by fx equals to mod x. Mod x, 0, mod 0, this is 1, minus 2, is many one. Is many one. So many one mapping. Many 1. So suppose even power x square, x4, they are many 1. Modulus, many 1. Sin x, cos x in full domain. Suppose fx equals to sin x in 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, then it is also many 1. f0 equals to 0, f pi also 0. So this is definition of many 1 function. Next, number 3. Now, onto mapping or surjection mapping. Now, every element of B is image of at least one element of A. There is no free element in B. Every element of B is image of at least one element of A. Look, there is no free image. So what is codomain? Codomain. This is 3, 5, 7. B set. This is B. And what is range? Range equals to also 3, 5, 7. So range equals to codomain. Codomain. Then it is onto mapping. Range equals to codomain, then it is onto mapping. Or in language, a mapping F A to B is said to be 1, 1. Sorry, 1. This is obviously 1, 1. Is said to be onto if every element of B is image of at least one element of A, or range equals to codomain. Now look for many 1 mapping, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Suppose this is x and this is B, 1 and 2. So this is x, this is mod x. So range equals to 1, 2, codomain 1, 2. This is also, it is many 1 on 2, it is 1, 1 on 2. So a mapping if A to B is said to be on 2 if every element of B is image of at least one element of A. So that is range equals to codomain. There is no free element in B. There is no free element. Free element means other than image, there are no free image. So these are the examples. So you can write it F A equals to 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, to B 1, 4, defined by y equals to x square is many 1. Sorry, it is defined by this is, it is obviously many 1, it is defined by this is on 2. You learn later, actually it is many 1 on 2. So on 2. It is also surjection 1, 1. This is injective. Then now into mapping. So basic examples. Suppose X, A is a set having element 1, 2, 3. B is a set 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So B 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is codomain. And image R, image set R, that is range 2, 4, 6. So range subset of codomain. This is into. That is, look, one is not image of any element of A. 5 is not image. So it is into. So what is definition? A mapping F A to B is said to be into if there exists at least one element in B which is not image of any element of A. Any element of A. That is a range subset of codomain. A range subset of codomain. This is into function. And this is example. So if A 1, 2, 3, B, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6 image, you take at least one element extra defined by y equals to 2x is into. Actually this one is into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into. I am discussing it. So these are the main 4 types of mapping. Now combining these mapping, you can form 4 types of mapping also. Now we are discussing different kind of mapping. Onto mapping, into mapping. Onto mapping is also called surjective mapping. You remember this one. Onto mapping is also called another name surjective. Then 1, 1 mapping and many 1 mapping. Now with the help of these 4 mappings, we can also define 4 mappings. So that is mapping number 5. 1, 1 onto mapping or bisective mapping. 1, 1 onto. So what is 1, 1 onto? So if A to B is 1, 1 onto. If number 1 it is 1, 1 and number 2 it is onto. It is onto. So problem is given in this way. Give an example of bisective mapping or 1, 1 onto mapping. So look for figure 1. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6. Each element, so every element of B is image of at least one element of A. So this is onto mapping and this is also 1, 1 mapping. So figure 1, this is 1, 1 onto mapping. 1, 1 and onto. You can form many examples. So range equals to codomain and different elements have different images. Then number 6, 1, 1 into. Into means range subset of codomain. That is, there is some element in B which are not images. So look for figure 2. So codomain is 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. And what is range? 2, 4, 6. 1 and 7 are 3 elements. So this is into. And obviously this is 1, 1 correspondence. So this is 1, 1 into mapping. So problem number 7. Many one onto mapping. So look, figure 3. X, this is mod x, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. So this is 1, 2. So range equals to codomain. So this is 1, 2. And two different elements have same image. This is many one. We have already discussed what is many one. So this is many one on 2 and many one in 2. That is, there will be some more element in B which are not images of any element of A. So here 3, 4, this is extra. 1, 2, this is range. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is codomain. So range subset of codomain, this is into, and obviously this is many one. So different kind of function. Main 1, 1, many one. 1, 2, into, and combinations of this. So these are different type of functions or mapping. Now graphical meaning of function. Look at the figure 1. It is a straight line. It is a straight line. This is AB. And this is figure 2. This one. And this is y equals to x square. Y equals to x square. So this is figure 3. So if a vertical line cuts the graph of a curve at only one point, then this is function. Now look for this curve, straight line. This is vertical line. It cuts the graph at unique point A. So it is a mapping or function. Y equals to x square. We have already stated this is many one function, and vertical line cuts it at only one point. So it is mapping. But for figure 2, look, for this type of graph, this vertical line cuts it at more than one point. So it is not a mapping. It is not a mapping. This type of problem MCQ in board may ask, so which one is mapping? Which one is mapping? Then suppose 4 figures are given. So this is graphical meaning of mapping. Now graphical meaning of many one function. Many one function. Now look, y equals to x square. This is a parabola, you know. This is many one also. f1 1, f of minus 1 also 1. So this is many one. So look, geometrical representation. Horizontal line AB cuts a curve at more than one point, then it is many one. If a horizontal line cuts a function at more than one point, then it is many. Now look, y equals to sin x in 0 to pi. So horizontal line cuts it 2 points. So it is many one. Now look, y equals to x square for x greater than 0 only. Look, x square is many one. If we say y equals to x square is a many one, then it is not true. So look at the domain. So y equals to x square in R, that is minus infinity to plus infinity, is many one. But y equals to x square in x greater than equals to 0, It is not many 1. It is 1, 1. Y equals to sin x 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. In 0 to pi, it is many 1. But in 0 to pi by 2, it cuts at only 1 point. It is 1, 1. So only the nature of the function, that is sin x, x square, is not sufficient to say this is many 1. So look, domain should be given. So y equals to x square in 0 to infinity, it is 1, 1. That is why every many 1 function can be considered as a sum of 1, 1 function. As a sum of 1, 1 function. So clear? Y equals to x square. If we say y equals to x square is many 1, it is not sufficient. You should give the set A to B, or suppose if it is R to R, this is many 1. It is clear. But if it is A 0 to infinity, so then it is not many 1. So that is why we can say every many 1 function can be think as a sum of 1, 1 function. So horizontal line cuts it at more than 1 point, it is many 1. Now finally, geometrical meaning of 1, 1 function. So look, this one, figure 3, this type of figure, as x increases, y increases, they are all increasing function. Increasing. For this one, as x increases, y decreases, they are called decreasing function. So y equals to x, this is increasing function. Y equals to minus x increases, y decreases. Look, y it is negative, that is why it is decreases. If a function is increasing or decreasing, then it is 1, 1 function. So what is conclusion? If a function is increasing, if we prove it increasing or decreasing, then function is 1, 1. This is its geometrical interpretation. If it is neither increasing nor decreasing, then it is not 1, 1. So today, through these videos, we have discussed different kind of mapping. So examples are important. Give an example of 1, 1 into mapping. Give an example of many 1 into mapping. So 4 kind of mapping, then combination of 4 will give 4. 1, 1 onto, 1, 1 into. Then next most important, geometrical representation of function. So function, if horizontal line cuts it only single point, then it is function. If a vertical line, if vertical line cuts a graph, if a vertical line cuts a graph of function at only 1 point, then it is function. Otherwise, it is not function. If vertical line cuts a graph at more than 1 point, it is not function. Then if a horizontal line cuts a graph at 2 points, then it is many 1. And last, if it is increasing or decreasing, then it is 1, 1 mapping. So this chapter is most important chapter and most interesting also. So in next class I will solve some problems of mapping. different kind of mapping. Thank you for today.